Are we recording? We are recording. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna be showing you all how I do my finger curl coils, whatever the fuck they call finger coils or whatever. Everything else is dead except for this little front part. And if you guys can see, like, they look pretty damn nice if you ask me. I just get my little first part and then I do a part right in the front, like with my little finger. It don't even have to be perfect. Just one little part. After I get my little part, I just get my hair and I clip it back with a little okay, I have a backup clip, which I still need that first clip. Okay, so I do these straight little parts, not too thick, just like maybe like the width of my thumb. And then I get my Aunt Jackie's Curl La La little curl defining custard, and I get a lot of it. Like, I really do saturate my hair in this process. So I get it and I'll just saturate like this. And also my hair is just damp. Like, I just whip my hair up and then I put it into 4 parts. So I'm just applying the product until all my hair feels like saturated in it, or whatever. Like, I'm putting a lot of product in it. I just had this little wide tooth comb and I'm just detangling, making sure nothing is like tangled up. And then I'll split it down in half like this, where I have like 2 even parts, and then I'll put this part to the side. Well, actually, this is where that other clip come in at. Where the hell did it go? Then I get my Aunt Jackie's I get my Aunt Jackie's little curling custard stuff. You guys saw me talk about this before, and I get like a lot of it, to be honest, like a big lot. And I just put it in with my hair like this. And as you can see, like, my hair is covered in product. For this side of my head, I use this hand, but for this side, I'm gonna use this hand. And all you're doing is literally just like twisting it. When I twist, I like to make sure I focus in like on the root, because I want my root to be tight, which is something that I failed to kind of do when I first did it in the back. And then if it doesn't like twist smoothly, I just get some more of my little gel, and this gel I think is what holds this shit in, because I promise you, my like coils looked at bomb for like 2 weeks straight. And so I just start at the root and then I shift down, and then as soon as I'm done, you guys see this? Like, do y'all see this whole coil? But I'm not finished yet. I'm going to get some of my Shimmer Lights conditioner, put it on a plate. Now, I had this on my sink. I'm just putting it on my plate because I don't know, because I had to do this for the video. Dab my finger in it and then literally just like twirl it in with the color. And I'm gonna let you guys like see it up close. Like, literally just twirl it in with the color, and then this is what we are left with. The first time I did it, this process took me like an hour and 30 minutes, only because I didn't know what I was doing. But now that I do know what I'm doing, and like I know what to do with my head, I'm going into like 30 minutes now. I'm finna do this part again for you guys so you guys can see. I already have this saturated with my curling custard, so now I'm gonna just get this gel right here, gel it down like this so I can get some great hold. Then as soon as I have the gel worked out, all I'm finna do is just get my fingers, hold on, and just twirl it just like that. And like I said, I'm focusing in on like the root area to make sure it's tight, and then I just swirl down. All that extraness that's falling is just like the water and like the excess product, and that's really it. And so literally in like a matter of seconds, you have a whole like curl. But we're not fucking done. I'm gonna get some of this conditioner here and swirl it onto the curl just like that. And it's just gonna add like some hue of purple, so it's gonna be like a lavender gray color. I'm just gonna keep recording and let you guys see the whole process until I'm like done. So enjoy. So this right here is the end result. I came into the sun so you guys can like see how this just looks. This is my little tutorial for you hoes. If you guys feeling it, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, because if you follow me on there, then you know I already started this little hairstyle. I've been started this. But yeah, just follow me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.